Welcome to the sounds in motion for C. The sound and the motion match. So it's like you're ripping open a shirt and it makes a sound. Do it with me. Isn't that a fun one? Again. And again. Do it with power, like you're ripping open your shirt. Notice it's not "k." You have to cut off that extra just "k." So really there's no voice. It's only air that's being pushed out. One more time, make sure that's only your air, no voice. Ready? I think you did it. So now let's do some words that start with that "k" sound, like cake. Ready? K is for cake. Again, K is for cake. Notice the uppercase and lowercase letters are on this card because both of them make that sound. That's the main sound that a C makes. Let's think of some other words. How about cut? Ready? K is for cut. How about an animal, a cougar? Ready? K is for cougar. Good. How about something we like to do? Color. K is for color. Good. How about another food? Carrot. K is for carrot. Excellent. Think of your own words. Practice them. Watch the video to practice more and more and more. And, we have to do crocodile because we love to say after a while, crocodile. Ready? K is for crocodile. After a while, crocodile.